In this session, we are going to see internal CSS. Internal CSS is nothing but doing CSS within the HTML file using head tag. We use style tag for that, which means we will provide style tag inside head tag. The syntax is as follows. Inside style tag, we'll provide a selector, and for selector we will provide flower braces. Within the flower braces or within the selector block, we will provide property and value separated by colon. If we want to provide n number of properties and their values, we will separate each value using a semicolon. Now let us see internal CSS in practical session. To see internal CSS, to check with internal CSS in practical session, open the same file, that is css.html. In this, provide another h1 tag that says this is second h1. Now give an attribute id, provide some name. I'll provide second. Now go to head tag, give a tag naming style. Inside opening and closing of style tag, provide a selector using hashtag. Whatever that we mentioned inside id should be used here as a selector along with hashtag. Now give it a color. This time I'll give a green color. To use another property, I will give semicolon, and then I want to give a property text alignment, and I'll align it to center. Now I also want to give a border. Border of 2px with style of dashed and color of green. To check the output, start the file using the command start css.html. This is how it is created. If you see, the border is dashed, it was not solid, it is dashed because we provided border style as dashed, and we provided the text to be aligned to the center, so it is aligned to the center, whereas the previous one it is aligned to the left. And then we have also given the color for border as well as for the head tag, and that is green. So these are green in color. Coming to VS Code or our CSS.html, I have used ID as an attribute inside the element tag. That is the only reason I am using hashtag along with the ID value that is provided. If we are using class instead of ID, then we'll use a dot operator. If we want, we can directly use the name of the tag, but that is not recommended. In the next session, we will see external CSS.